Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Learn Arabic with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you an important lesson, so please focus with me. But before I start the lesson, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. And follow me on Facebook and follow me also on Instagram. Are you ready? Let's get starting. The lesson entitled today, how can you pronounce the alphabet in Arabic? Del, del. How can you pronounce this letter? Del in Arabic equal D in English. When I say dream, dark, door, del in Arabic equal D in English. After then, ذال, ذال in Arabic equal THE in English. When I say the, you can notice the man, the woman. Okay. Ra, ra in Arabic. How can I pronounce this letter? It looks like R in English. Yeah. When I say rabbit, ring, room. Okay. They in Arabic equal what? How can pronounce this letter? They in Arabic equal Z in English. When I say zoo, zero, zoo, zero. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, inshallah. As-salama.